In this brief tutorial, we're going to look at 3 different ways to enter your products. To begin, click the Add Product button on your Entrant Control Panel home screen. The first way to add a product, and the method you would use if you've never entered LA Spirits Awards before, is to choose New Entry. You'll then supply all your product details. Type in the brand and product name, and then select the entry category. In this case, I'm entering a flavored vodka, so I will drill down to that category and select it. Some categories require some additional specifications. In this case, I need to specify the flavor of my vodka. Complete the rest of the form and click Next Step. If you see an error, you can click Go Back and make your corrections. If it looks fine, click the Submit button. Your product now appears in your pending entries list, where you can add more products, edit or delete a product, or check out to complete your order. But perhaps you've entered LA Spirits Awards in the past and wish to enter a product from a prior year. Click the Add Product button, and now instead of New Entry, choose Return Entry. Your full entry history appears, and you can choose the product you are re-entering this year. Note that when choosing Return Entry, the only fields you will be able to change will be the alcohol percentage and the retail price. If you need to change more than that, you would use our Clone and Edit feature, which we'll see in a moment, rather than Return Entry. In this case, I'll indicate a change in price but nothing else, and I'll click Next Step and then Submit, and this product too appears in my pending entries list. The last method, and certainly the most convenient means of entering several products with a minimum of keystrokes, is to choose Clone and Edit. Click Add Product as before. Now choose Clone and Edit as the entry type. This calls up a list of all your previously entered products and your pending products. Choose the one you wish to clone, and you'll see the same entry form as before, but pre-filled with all the information about the cloned product. Here you can change anything you like. Let's say I'm entering a whole line of flavored vodkas. I can choose my previously entered prickly pear flavored vodka and change it to spicy prickly pear flavored vodka, leaving all other fields unchanged. It's that simple. When you've finished entering all your products, click the Checkout button just below your pending entries list. Your order is not complete, and pending entries will not be recorded until you check out and finish the order process. Note that the system saves all the product information you've entered, so if you wish to come back to finish entering your products later, you can pick up right where you left off. Cheers!